Did you know that over 3,000 years ago, people were already charting the stars with astonishing accuracy, long before telescopes or computers existed? Welcome to ancient Babylon, one of the earliest civilizations to truly look up at the sky and try to understand it. And the Babylonians lived in Mesopotamia, in the fertile land between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, what we now call Iraq. They are often remembered for their incredible city building and irrigation systems. But there's another side to their genius. They're astronomers. Unlike most people at the time, these sky watchers weren't just curious about the stars for storytelling or religion. They were meticulous observers, recording patterns and predicting celestial events with remarkable precision. Armed with nothing more than clay tablets, simple measuring tools, and keen eyes, the Babylonians began to notice patterns in the heavens. They tracked the motions of the sun, moon, and planets across the sky, creating detailed records that allowed them to predict eclipses, the rising of certain stars, and even the cycles of the moon. They developed one of the earliest known lunar calendars, which helped them not only for religious rituals, but also for farming and planning. So their method wasn't based on modern science as we know it, but it was highly systematic. Every observation was carefully logged. Some of their records even included numerical data, calculations that could predict when a planet would appear in the sky months or even years in advance. This level of precision was unmatched in much of the world for centuries. One fascinating aspect of Babylonian astronomy was their division of the sky into 12 sections, a system that eventually inspired the 12 signs of the zodiac we know today. They also used a base 60 number system, which is why we still measure time in 60 seconds and 60 minutes. So next time you look at a clock, you're seeing a direct legacy of Babylonian mathematics and astronomy. But it wasn't just practical, it was awe-inspiring. Babylonians believed that the movements of celestial bodies had meaning, predicting events on Earth, a practice that would later evolve into astrology. Yet, even in their mystical interpretations, they were laying the groundwork for systematic observation, which is the heart of science. Their work didn't end in Babylon. Ancient Greek astronomers like Hipparchus and Ptolemy studied Babylonian records to develop more advanced models of the solar system. And centuries later, European astronomers would rely on these ancient observations to make groundbreaking discoveries, like the heliocentric theory of Copernicus and the laws of planetary motion by Kepler. So the next time you gaze at the stars, remember that some of the first people to try to make sense of the universe did it with clay tablets and sharp eyes. They showed that curiosity, observation, and careful record keeping could reveal the secrets of the cosmos. Long before modern science even existed.